Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by WarrantyWise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Mondeo for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot on the clutch, press the Ford power button there, car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Let's get it through all the gears. 6-speed gearbox. Yeah, the clutch and the gearbox feel great. Suspension's really nice over the bumps on this country road. Brakes are good. Steering's really nice, so the car is driving spot on as it should. With it being a Ford, it's a really nice car to drive. And with this being the Mondeo, it's extra spacious indeed. Loads of room for passengers, driver, luggage. It's a really, really spacious car. You've got some really nice specifications. So you've got DAB radio on here, on the Sony multimedia system, as well as Bluetooth hands-free, USB ports, auxiliary input, and the usual FM, AM radio and CD player. You've also got dual zone climate control down here, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver should they wish. Heated front windscreen, great for de-icing in the winter and demisting at any time of year. Plenty of power from the more rare version of this 2-litre diesel, the 163 brake horsepower version, this one. We've got a really lovely leather multifunction steering wheel, all the controls at your fingertips, including cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, power folding door mirrors. So really, really nice specification. Now I know that's going red, but we are just here, so it's fine. And there we are. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care, and bye for now.